Then the downtown post office secure room. This one's a little bit difficult to get to as you do need the downtown post office key to get in here in the first place. Not only that, but it's pretty well guarded, so make sure you bring extra plates and maybe even a friend. Anyways, you'll be heading across to roughly the northeast side of the map in Al Mazrah City. Looking down to the southwest of it, you'll see the downtown post office down here next to the circle, and it has a big post icon on it. That's the building that we need to head to and get into. It's very difficult to miss, and this marker will always be on the map for you to find. As you can see, I have the downtown post office key in my inventory here, ready for another use, assuming I make it there. Here is the post office located south of Al Mazrah City, and I'll be picking my way in here very carefully. You can see I'm already being attacked. Anyway, with a huge convoy of enemies avoided, I'll be entering into here. Of course, the inside will be populated as well. Heading upstairs using the elevator located in the northwest side of the building over here, in this front portion, you'll be taken upstairs, and once again in a pretty guarded place, we're on the roof over here. That we can walk up to using the stairs, and we can come out here however we need to use the elevator to get up into this side over here. Then we'll find the downtown post office secure room upstairs. Of course, you can navigate here, go upstairs to the roof, and you can enter on the west side over here. If you land on the roof, you can open this door, head down one floor, and over here to the left, you'll find this office. That's probably the safest way of getting him if you don't want to fight any of the AI. However, it's more than likely worth it due to the loot that you'll get out of here. Just one simple trip, 20k, 2 self-revives, and that's pretty much it. It's a worthwhile key to get, and of course it's in a pretty high value place. Oftentimes I've also seen the boss around here, so you may not even be able to enter here in the first place. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Taken Over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!